In this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable checkbox in Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and either creating a new presentation or opening an existing one. To enable the Developer tab, go to the File tab, select Options, and choose Customize ribbon from the menu on the left. In the right-hand panel, scroll down to find the Developer option. Check the box next to it and click OK. Now that the Developer tab is enabled, select it and in the Controls group, click on the checkbox icon. Click and drag on your slide to place the checkbox wherever you want. To customize the checkbox, select it and click the Properties icon in the Controls group. Here, you can adjust the alignment, font, color, and more. If you want to edit the text on the checkbox, right-click it, choose Checkbox Object, and select Edit. After editing, click outside the box to save your changes. When you play your presentation, the checkbox will be clickable during the slideshow. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.